Aloha mai kākou, o wau o kui, o ka ʻōlelo ke ila o i hoi o ʻanakala. Today's word of the day is ʻanakala. ʻAnakala is another Hawaiianized English word coming from uncle. ʻAnakala, uncle. Again, back in the old days, we never used to call our aunts and uncles by that term. We would call them makua. But like I said before, languages evolve, things change. So now we have that term coming from the English word uncle, ʻanakala. We'll try to use it in a sentence. Owai ko ʻanakala. Owai ko ʻanakala. Who is your uncle? Owai, who, ko ʻanakala, your uncle. Owai ko ʻanakala. Maikai. Aloha.